Hey Russian learners, welcome back to today's Russian word for beginners, which is day 78, and today we are going to learn how to say match. Now this word for match is pretty important in the kitchen because since the cooking is done mainly with gas, which we learned last week, the gas has to be lit, and to light it you will use a match.
Спичка. Спичка.
This word should be pretty easy to learn. It literally sounds like you're saying speech-ka. Put the two together and you have spichka. Go ahead and practice it a few more times at the end of the video. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Пока for now.
Спичка. Спичка. Спичка.